Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the amazing world of aloe vera. Known for its incredible healing properties, aloe vera has been used for centuries to improve health, beauty, and wellness. From soothing sunburns to boosting digestion, and even creating refreshing drinks, aloe vera is truly a natural powerhouse. Stay tuned as we explore its numerous benefits and share some easy DIY recipes that you can try at home. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Aloe vera deeply moisturizes and softens the skin. It serves as a natural moisturizer, especially beneficial for dry and sensitive skin. Its hydrating properties help maintain skin elasticity and prevent dryness. Regular application can lead to smoother and more supple skin. Aloe vera gel accelerates the healing of sunburns, minor burns, and skin wounds. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe the skin. Applying aloe vera topically can reduce pain and inflammation associated with burns. It also promotes skin regeneration, aiding in faster recovery. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, aloe vera helps reduce acne and pimple formation. It also calms the redness on the skin. Regular use can lead to clearer skin by preventing new breakouts. Its soothing effect reduces irritation and promotes healing of existing blemishes. Aloe vera moisturizes the scalp, prevents dandruff, and supports hair growth. By nourishing hair follicles, it contributes to the development of healthier hair. Its enzymes help remove dead skin cells from the scalp, promoting a healthier environment for hair growth. Regular application can lead to shinier and more manageable hair. Aloe vera juice helps regulate stomach acid and aids in relieving issues like indigestion and constipation. It has a beneficial effect on digestion. Its natural enzymes assist in breaking down food, improving nutrient absorption. Regular consumption can lead to a more balanced digestive system. The vitamins A, C, E, and minerals in aloe vera support the immune system. Its antioxidant properties fight free radicals. Regular intake can enhance the body's natural defense mechanisms. A stronger immune system helps in preventing infections and illnesses. By increasing collagen production, aloe vera helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It provides a more youthful skin appearance. Its antioxidants combat oxidative stress, a major factor in skin aging. Regular use can lead to firmer and more elastic skin. Aloe vera gel alleviates gum inflammation and helps heal mouth ulcers. It can be used as a natural mouthwash. Its antibacterial properties help reduce dental plaque and prevent gum disease. Regular use can lead to fresher breath and healthier gums. Aloe vera helps remove toxins from the body. Consuming aloe vera juice regularly may provide a detoxifying effect. Its natural compounds support liver function, aiding in the body's detoxification processes. Regular consumption can lead to improved overall health and vitality. Aloe vera has a soothing effect on muscle pains and rheumatic conditions. It helps reduce swelling and pain. Its anti-inflammatory compounds can alleviate discomfort associated with various inflammatory conditions. Regular application can lead to reduced pain and improved mobility. So, what can we make using aloe vera? Here are some sample recipes. Mix aloe vera gel, lemon juice, and mint leaves in water for a refreshing detox drink. Steep fresh ginger in hot water, then add aloe vera gel and honey for a soothing digestive drink. Mix aloe vera gel, olive oil, and honey to create a soothing and moisturizing face mask. Combine aloe vera gel, honey, and sugar to create an exfoliating scrub for soft, hydrated skin.